Hi everyone, what is the tip today? Here you go. First ஒரு line create பண்றேன் by the line tool. This time no fill color, only stroke color. அதுக்கப்புறம் go to effect, distort and transform, zigzag. Here give it smooth and adjust size, make it look like wave. Then type your typography, make it little bit bigger. Then hold Alt key, you will get duplicate. Then Control D, you will duplicate again. So now select your text, go to symbol, add to new symbol. Then delete it, select your line, go to effect, 3D, extrude and bevel. Here adjust the depth and go to map art. Here we have more surfaces. Surface number 6 is top of the shape. Then choose your symbol and turn on invisible geometry. Then rotate your symbol. Then give it OK. Now go to object, expand, then ungroup it twice. இப்போ you can select each element separately, then give it your own color. So this is how you can create your text into wave.